So this is the before. Normally we highlight her hair and then we do a base break, but this time she wanted to be fully blonde and platinum blonde. So I start foiling all over her head, starting at the back, and I basically slice my foils, and as you will see in this next section, as we talk about her natural color, which is a level 7. I don't really recommend this on level 5 and below. You can do it, but it's extremely hard. So as you'll see here in this next section, I'm placing another foil and I'm gonna leave it off the root because that will be my second step. So basically the foil allows me to control where I'm placing my bleach, and it's all about control. So you just want to place it right there in the middle, using 20 volume. And then of course, I'm not going to put it all the way down to the ends because I do not want to lighten those ends. They're already light enough, so they don't need to be lightened anymore. Okay, so this is the second step. I went and washed her and dried her. So this is the second step, and this is when you're going to do your roots only. It's highly imperative that you take these steps in order to get like the best results. You will get less breakage. I do like to tell my clients that are going to go into this world of bleach and tone that breakage is normal to a certain extent, because we don't know what they're doing at home. We don't know if they're using the products we recommend. But right here, I'm showing you as a stylist what you can do to not get breakage at the salon. So as you can see, I'm just working up from the nape. I split the hair into 4 quadrants, the T-zones, and then I apply bleach with 20 volume. I think on this particular day I used Redken Flash Lift, probably was, because I pretty much stick with the same kind of bleaches. And then over here I'm going to the sides. Again, I'm using my cotton in between each section because when you do that, it doesn't allow the bleach to swell, and so therefore it doesn't hit the other parts of the hair. And that's where most and all of the breakage comes from, is when you don't have full control. So I highly recommend doing this technique. I learned this technique from Nina Boo. She is in Beverly Hills, and she always did the most beautiful bleach and tones. Doing bleach and tones is one of the most tedious and probably one of the most heart-wrenching things to do, because as a stylist we're questioning oh my gosh, is her hair gonna be okay? Is everything gonna be okay? Is everything gonna be okay? And everything is going to be fine if you do these steps this way, because it is all about control. Now please excuse my Walmart bag. I did not have a regular bag. Do not use the cap bags. Those squeeze the hair way too together. And please don't use heat. They're body heat. If you put a cap like this and you place them somewhere, temperature, room temperature, you'll get this amazing, look at her freaking roots right here. They're perfect. So, of course, I'm rinsing her out. I probably rinsed her out in the back previously, but did you notice how I combed that and it was just flawless? No hair was in my comb. If you have major breakage, you're gonna have hair everywhere, and that's exactly what you don't want. So as you can see, her hair is just beautiful. Now I'm starting to tone it, and I used clear, half 9V Shades EQ. I love this stuff, but it turns really, really quickly. And quite honestly, in this particular day, it turned too quick, and I had to go in with Malibu Crystals, the clear. I'm not quite. No, it was another one. But anyway, I had to do some stuff. This process is quite a lot from beginning to end, but I ended up with this beautiful palette. Super stoked.